Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will help you replace the variable valve timing solenoid on your GMC Terrain. First, let's discuss the common signs of a failing solenoid, like rough idling or reduced fuel economy. Then, we'll gather all the essential tools, such as a ratchet, various sockets, and of course, your new solenoids. Always make sure your engine is completely cool before you begin any work for safety. Now that you're ready, the next step is to locate those VVT solenoids. On most GMC Terrain models, you'll find them conveniently positioned near the valve cover. Once you've spotted them, carefully disconnect the electrical connector from each one. You might also need to remove a few engine covers or other components to get clear access to the solenoids.
Hey everyone, quick break. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more easy guides. On another note, if you're looking for a book that can truly change how you think about money, I highly recommend The Simple Path to Wealth *. It's a fantastic read. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video.
With access clear, grab your ratchet and the correct socket to remove the single retaining bolt holding each solenoid in place. Once the bolt is out, gently pull the old solenoid straight out from its engine housing. Now, take your new solenoid, apply a little fresh engine oil to the O-rings, and carefully push it into position, then reattach the bolt securely. Almost done. The final steps involve reconnecting those electrical connectors to your newly installed solenoids, making sure they click firmly into place. Then, simply replace any engine covers or other components you removed earlier to gain access. Once everything is back together, start your GMC Terrain and listen for any unusual noises, or check for new error codes on your dashboard.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.